Hey everyone, welcome to Go SaaS Launch. In today's video, how to start an AI agency. Without further ado, let's begin. I'm going to show you how to profit big from one of the most underrated tools in digital marketing right now, GoHighLevel. All right, if you're not familiar with GoHighLevel, it is an all-in-one SaaS platform loaded with powerful tools like drag and drop website builder, automated workflows, CRM, AI-driven messaging, calendar booking, reputation management, you name it. It has it all. It's surprisingly very complete tool, right? And what's the crazy part? Most people have no idea how much money they could be making with it. So if you want to make money with a SaaS business, please take into this video. So whether you're an agency owner, freelancer, or someone looking for a smart income stream, this video is for you. GoHighLevel allows you to launch your own white label SaaS business. And yes, even if you have zero tech experience. So if you have never had any experience with software or building website automations or AI, please stick to this video because GoHighLevel provides you tool to be able to sell software with zero experience and charge your clients big money because local business owners are in need of these tools. In case you are not familiar with the white label term, what it means is that basically you will be selling GoHighLevel proprietary software as your own. So GoHighLevel allows you to put your brand, your logo, your colors into the software, and that's what your end client will see. You will be able to charge whatever the money you want to and keep the 100% of the profits. All right. So let's begin. First thing first, please scroll down this video and in the description, please click more and you're gonna find this ready to start text, activate your free trial now. You're gonna click on this link and you're gonna be landing into this website. Well, this is a landing page or a funnel, however you wanna call it. Please, you are more than welcome to go through it and see what our services are. By the way, this website, I know I always say this, but this website was built on GoHighLevel, so this is crazy. This is very neat, isn't it? Like it's a very beautiful website. By the way, I'm not a web designer, not even close to have like a nice taste of like a nice intuition on how to build beautiful website. But however, I can make it possible because GoHighLevel make it so easy. All right, so let's continue. You're going to click start your free trial now. I'm going to use test data. I created this test user just for these educational videos purposes, and please, uh, please use your real data. Please input your real information so you can get the free trial. Okay, so first name, email, get the free trial. The next step is going to be taking you to GoHighLevel official website, where you will be able to sign up for a 3-day free, 30-day free trial, 30 days free trial, but that's not it all. You'll be getting a free live bootcamp, which in which they will teach you how to launch GoHighLevel. So hand by hand, together with GoHighLevel specialist, you will have like and the best part is this is not like a recording. All right, this is live bootcamp. You'll have access to all this different tool bootcamps, 5-day reviews challenge, the SaaSpreneur playbook, high level snapshots and funnels, everything you need to succeed selling SaaS to local business owners. So GoHighLevel is so incredible that they are just not giving you a chance to try the software for 30 days. They are training you. They are holding your hand and showing you step by step how to succeed on GoHighLevel. And please make sure signed up. There is a ton of value in here. Like you literally won't regret signing up to GoHighLevel. As a personal tip, I would set a 28 days reminder to myself for so you can always cancel if you didn't like it. But believe me, you're going to love it. All right. So, marketing and automation. So you can build full campaigns, email, SMS, triggers, workflows, all inside GoHighLevel. It gives you this all. So with one GoHighLevel, with this tool, you will be able to replace a Mailchimp, ActiveCampaign, Twilio, saving your clients money while you still putting more money into your pocket. Why? Because you are selling GoHighLevel as white label, all right, and you're selling your brand, your logo. Your clients pays your prices to you, and you keep the profit. All you have to pay is for the monthly fee of GoHighLevel license, and that's pretty much it. So once you signed it, once you get your signed it, your 30 days free trial, you're gonna be landing into something like this. As you can see, this is our brand, our logo. This is the beauty of GoHighLevel that we sell to our clients, our software. And well, anyways, we like to say we are GoHighLevel official representatives because sooner rather than later they might find out. Okay, so we are going to see marketing automation. So let's use as use case. Let's imagine that I don't know, the first thing, dentist, something that came to my mind right now. Let's assume that my client is a dentist, and they ask me, hey, you know what, it's a clinic, a dentist. I wanna launch a campaign. I want to attract more of my current clients. I want the clients that I already have in my database. They come to my clinic for a service. I don't know, a cleaning, or I'm not a dentist. It came to my mind. Okay, let's bring more clients. All right. Obviously, we're going to talk with the clinic, with the dentist, and gather what the requirements are, and then we are going to create a campaign. All right. So we're going to go to our left panel menu. We're going to click on automation. I have several folders here. I'm going to go to the test one. We are going to create a new workflow from a recipe. Now we are going to create a database reactivation. This is how it's called, database reactivation, or DVR. We don't have a DVR. Let me see. Okay, let me see what of these pre-populated, preloaded workflows fits what I'm looking for. Okay, we have a campaign, abandoned cart. Let's see, Shopify, product recommendation, delivery status. We have multiple. Okay, reactivation email. Perfect. Reactivation email sequence. Reactivation email sequence is what I'm looking for. Yes, I think so. I want to reactivate. I'm going to select this. No, this is not what I'm looking for. All right, so, okay. So once we are here on the automations, preloaded automations, we're going to select list reactivation. All right, this is going to be for a list. So these use cases applies for when your local business owner, in this case, we are using a use case, we are using an scenario of a dental clinic. They already have a list of customers in their database. Some of them might not come back, so we want to reactivate this list. All right, so we are going to select this recipe, list reactivation. And okay, if it's already, proceed. Perfect. I don't even know what was it, but I just click OK. So first thing first, the way that I'm going to activate this reactivation list is by tagging the contacts. All right. Okay. This is going to trigger when I add sorry. This is going to trigger when I add a tag to a specific contact. I think I need to show you what a tag is before continuing with this. I'm going to save it right now. So a tag is like an identifier you set to a contact to see where is it. Right now, my contact tag is nurtured lead. So it means like I'm feeding this contact with information, emails. I'm nurturing it. It's being fed with newsletter, announcement, etc. from my business. So this is the way I can identify multiple contacts. All right. So now let's go back to automations, list reactivation. Okay. Now every time one of my contact is tagged with, let's call it list reactivation. Oh, come on. List reactivation. Okay. I'm going to add a new tag. So it will trigger every time one of the contact is tagged with list reactivation. I'm going to save this. All right, save. So the first thing is going to do is going to offer, oh, wow. So this is going nuts. It's already built for a dental clinic. It's going to offer a free whitening. So I got a 10 free teeth whitening vouchers on my desk. Would you be interested on one? Okay, so this is going to be, so this workflow is making a like a promotion, is incentivizing the client to come for a free teeth whitening voucher. All right. So it's going to text. The first thing it's going to do is text the user. It's going to wait. Then let's see, it's going to wait for 1 hour. All right. Or it's going to wait for the contact to reply. So it's going to send the text message. It's going to wait for 60 minutes, or so there is a second condition, contact reply, or is going to time out 60 minutes after if the contact does not reply back. Okay, so let's go through the happy path. All right, the contact reply back. Let's see, contact reply true, which it means, okay, it means that they want the cleaning. Was the reply positive or not? Let's see, it was positive. Then, okay, great, I got a voucher for you, redeem it this way. And if they respond no, they don't want it, then no worries. Like, it seems like the workflow ends here. All right, it's pretty straightforward. It sends an SMS trying to get the client to reply back for this free voucher. If it doesn't reply within 60 minutes, it's going to create a second attempt. Hey, just checking back if you see my free whitening voucher. Should I put one aside for you? I mean, you can add your personal touches for this campaign. Okay, it's going to wait until reply, second attempt. Now, as you can see in this GoHighLevel pre-built workflow, is going to wait until the contact reply. There is no more timeout because this is the second attempt. After 60 minutes is the second attempt. Then the second one is not going to trigger another timeout. It's just going to wait until the contact replies. It could be the very next hour, 2 hours, the very next day. It might not answer, which is okay. But if it answers and it says, yes, I want the free whitening, again, I got the voucher on your name, please redeem it. And if it is no, no worries. Again, this is just a preloaded template, a preloaded automation template. So that's why it's so simple. But please feel free to add your personal touches. Now, let's see this in action. So I'm going to publish this workflow. I'm going to publish, I'm going to save, and the next thing I'm going to do is obviously the right way to launch a campaign like this is going to select all the users, or at least select the user from a specific tag. For example, a nurture lead is going to select all the nurture lead or whatever. So the best way is to obviously select all the contacts, add the tag, and add, well, this is the action name, list reactivation. And we are going to select the tag, list reactivation, add tag. So as soon as I click add tag, it's going to add all my users into that workflow, but I don't want to do that. For these purposes, right now, I'm going to select only one. I'm going to select my test user, add tag, okay, list reactivation. You can name it the way, whatever you want. This is just an action name. List reactivation, add tag. Boom. Now what GoHighLevel is going to do is going to take the user I tag with list reactivation, and is going to take it through this automation. As you can see, it sends a text message to this contact, and now it's waiting for a reply. And this is going to go through until it gets to the end of the workflow. So this is the beauty of GoHighLevel. It allowed me to create a campaign. Let's see the conversation with this. As you can see, it sent a text message, an SMS. It didn't go through because I haven't configured the SMS, but I will do it in the next video. So the beauty of this is that I was able to build a reactivation campaign to text via SMS all at the database of a customer with a specific offer, hoping these customers will reply back and accept the offer. All right, there's like a average percentage response ratio of like 30%. If you SMS 100 clients, 30% 30 clients will reply back to you, so you are reactivating 30 clients. Okay, so conclusion. With GoHighLevel, you're not just reselling software, you are helping businesses to grow while you're also building your own monthly recurring revenue stream. So I hope you like this video. So if you did like, please click on the like button below here, subscribe, clicking the bell so you can get notification on next videos, and see you on the next one.